Adopting the correct sitting position is essential for maintaining good posture and a healthy back and spine. Most people can improve their sitting posture by following a few simple guidelines. Sitting with a straight back and shoulders will not only improve a person's physical health but can make them feel more confident. Many people spend the majority of their day sitting down, as they tend to sit when commuting, working in an office or studying, and relaxing at home. Prolonged sitting can cause a range of adverse health effects, including bad posture and back health. In this article, we look at what good posture means and explain the correct sitting position to achieve it, particularly when sitting at a computer. What is good posture? Share on Pinterest. Good posture is important whether sitting or standing. Good posture means that the key parts of a person's body are correctly aligned and supported by the right amount of muscle tension. Correct posture can help by reducing strain on the body during movement and exercise, reducing wear and tear on the joints, muscles, and ligaments, maintaining balance while moving and exercising, reducing the risk of muscle strain and overuse conditions, improving spine health. Best sitting position. The best sitting position depends on a person's height, the chair they are using, and the activity they are doing while sitting. A person can improve posture and achieve a proper sitting position by keeping feet flat or rest them on either the floor or a footrest, avoiding crossing knees or ankles, maintaining a small gap between the back of the knees and the chair, positioning knees at the same height or slightly lower than the hips, placing ankles in front of the knees, relaxing the shoulders, keeping the forearms and knees parallel to the floor where possible, holding elbows at the sides creating an L shape in the arms, sitting up straight and looking forward without straining the neck, keeping the back against the chair, or using a backrest or cushion if there are places where the back does not comfortably meet the chair, especially in the lower back region, avoiding sitting for long periods at a time, ideally taking at least a 10-minute break for every hour of sitting. Tips for sitting posture at a computer. People who have to sit for extended periods at a desk because of their work or schooling need to take extra precautions to make sure they maintain a healthy posture and back. When working at a computer for long periods, a person can help improve their sitting posture by keeping the monitor at arm's length and no more than 2 inches above the natural line of sight, customizing workspaces, for example, adding footrests, wrist pads, or backrests, using a standing desk to alternate between sitting and standing, using an ergonomic chair, a yoga ball, or a knee chair, trying out different keyboard and mouse types, using a headset for long calls or dictating to reduce neck strain, positioning the keyboard and mouse close together to avoid reaching, getting up and moving around occasionally, especially when experiencing any muscle or joint pain. Once in the correct position, try doing a mental check every 10 to 15 minutes to see if the posture has altered and then correct any changes. A person with poor posture can correct it with time, awareness, and commitment. It can take weeks to months for some people to see significant benefits from working on their posture. Once a person has improved their posture, they will need to work at maintaining it, so they may often have to remind themselves to recognize unhealthy positions and correct them. Sitting positions to avoid. Anything that causes a misuse or overuse of specific muscles, ligaments, or tendons can adversely impact a person's posture and back health. Certain positions are worse than others for overworking or misusing postural tissues, especially some sitting positions. To prevent bad posture and back health, avoid sitting slumped to one side with the spine bent, keeping the knees, ankles, or arms crossed, dangling or not properly supporting the feet, sitting for a long time in one position, straining the neck for long periods while looking at a monitor, telephone screen, or document, sitting in a position that does not fully support the back, especially the lower back, sitting for an extended period without taking a break. Below are given affiliate links of some products in the description by me, where you can see them and purchase if you like them. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the AJ Lards channel, Naturepedia.